Welcome! Today we will learn how to make a delicious and healthy breakfast in under 10 minutes. Please stay till the end. Try to choose whole grains as the base of your breakfast. Whole grains, such as oatmeal, quinoa, or whole grain toast, are full of fiber and nutrients that will keep you feeling full and satisfied. Add a protein source. This can be as simple as a hard-boiled egg or some sliced turkey or chicken. Protein helps keep you feeling full and satisfied, and it can also help repair and build muscle tissue. Incorporate a serving of fruits or vegetables. Try adding a handful of berries to your oatmeal or spreading avocado on your toast. These nutrients are important for maintaining a healthy diet and can also provide a boost of energy for your day. Consider adding a healthy fat. Healthy fats, such as nuts, seeds, or avocado, can help you feel fuller for longer and can also provide important nutrients for your body. Don't forget to hydrate. Start your day off with a glass of water or a cup of tea to help keep you hydrated throughout the day. To make your breakfast prep even quicker, consider meal prepping ingredients the night before. Overnight oats, for example, can be made in advance and simply grabbed on your way out the door in the morning. Get creative with your ingredients. Don't be afraid to mix and match different ingredients to find what works best for you. Some ideas might include adding a sprinkle of nuts to your oatmeal or topping your toast with hummus and vegetables. Don't skip breakfast. It may be tempting to hit the snooze button instead of spending time preparing a breakfast, but skipping breakfast can lead to decreased energy and productivity throughout the day. Keep it simple. There's no need to go overboard with a complicated breakfast recipe. A bowl of oatmeal with a sliced banana and a sprinkle of nuts can be just as satisfying and nourishing as a more elaborate meal. Remember, the most important thing is to enjoy your breakfast. Don't stress about making the perfect breakfast, just choose healthy and tasty ingredients, and you'll be well on your way to a delicious and nutritious start to your day. Thanks for watching. Please consider share your thoughts in the comments sections. Please subscribe for all the upcoming informative videos.